Well, right now we are in the calm before the Friday morning snowstorm, if you will. Hello, South Haven. We're looking at South Beach Live right now, and boy, that ice is really extending well past the lighthouse right now. Even with those warmer temperatures, of course, it usually lags just a little bit by a day or two. Thanks to our partners at Horizon Broadband for the view. Let's take our camera now to the east. As we go to Marshall Downtown Live, we're looking right down Michigan Avenue here with our Weather Alert Network camera. This camera view here looking to the west, all quiet, all around West Michigan. But here's what we're watching right here, this area of low pressure. As it intensifies, it's moving off to the east. It's going to scoot just by to the north, but you see all the snow coming with it? That's what's going to be moving in here. As I showed you a little bit earlier, we're tracking the arrival of that snow on the lakeshore in about 7.5, 8 hours or so. So let's pick it up on our hour by hour. We start at midnight, 6 hours from now. It's starting to cross the lake here. And by the time we get to about 4 in the morning, it is moving through. It is moving really fast. And that's a good thing because it's not going to be hanging around long enough to give us a lot of snow. However, it is going to be a really wet, heavy snow, and that means it's going to be getting slushy out there. Look at this, by 7 in the morning, a lot of West Michigan's already seen it move through. So it's only going to be around for about 3 or 4 hours or so at most in each locale. Sturgis, Coldwater, Three Rivers hanging on to it just a little bit longer. And then it turns to rain along and south of I-94 because warmer air is coming in here by the time we get to 9 in the morning. And look at this, by noontime, it's pretty quiet area wide. And then we'll see some colder air that's going to be coming in. That's going to be later on Friday night. And that'll set us up for an Arctic chill for the weekend as we see some lake effect snow pulling in here. Again, that's going to be Friday night. Now, in the meantime, how much snow are we looking at? We put our future snow product to work here. And as we go from midnight tonight to noon tomorrow, we're looking largely at about 1 inch to 2 inches of accumulation. There might be an outsider out there getting about 3. But again, it's not just the amount. It's the timing during the commute and also the fact it's going to be a little bit slushy. Let's take a live look right now in downtown Kalamazoo. It's all quiet. Skies are cloudy right now. And the temperature as we look with our Peregrine Tower cam is at 29 degrees. We have 28 in Battle Creek, 29 in Holland. Temperatures area wide in the mid-20s to about 30 degrees. Here's your outlook for tonight. Cloudy this evening. No problems this evening if you're out and about. Overnight, that's when that wet, heavy snow will be moving through from northwest to southeast as we go from about 2 o'clock in the morning till about 9 o'clock. And that low will be around 28 degrees. Tomorrow's high 38 with some morning snow, then a little light rain and snow in the afternoon. On to your Celiana Group 7-day forecast. The big chill is here for Saturday and Sunday with some lake effect snow. I don't think there'll be too much of it, but we'll see some lake effect on Saturday. But the big news about the weekend is high temperatures will only be around 20 degrees. So we have some active weather ahead. It's just that tomorrow morning commute. Once we get through that with that slush that's going to be out there, then it's going to be a lot smoother.
It is kind of tricky when it's snow overnight and then sort of that sleety stuff. And yeah, it's going to be a mess on Friday.
Yeah, I think so.